Caillou. Get over here. Now, 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 wait.
Oh my god, Dad, get over here. Boris the teeth guy just broke into the house.
Don't worry, Caillou, I'm here. Boris the teeth guy, how dare you break into my house and scared Caillou? That's it. I'm calling the police on you to take you straight back to jail for a long time. You, Boris the teeth guy, you are under arrest for trespassing into the Andersons' house. Do you even realize that could you into deep trouble? And now you better come with me into the police car right now, because you are going to go straight back to jail for a very long time. Come on, move it. We don't got all day. What do you think will happen next? To be continued on way. Welcome back to jail. You will be staying in here for the rest of your life. Now goodbye forever, you crazy lunatic version of Boris.
Boris the teeth guy, you know the rules. No crying or being angry at jail. It's forbidden here at all times.
Yeah, Boris the teeth guy. Stop being angry and go the fuck to sleep. Go the fuck to sleep. Go the fuck to sleep, alright? Fucking now. You fucking bitch.